Hello, welcome back to the Spoonie Stitcher channel. I'm Shannon the Spoonie Stitcher, you're inside the stitchery, and today is a small tutorial. So a while back I made the Potter Tots, if you remember, and they all have scarves for their different houses. But you can use those scarves for anything, so I figured if you guys might want this scarf as a normal, just all by itself tutorial. So that's what today is. If you want to make the scarf, keep watching. If not, I'll see you in another video. This scarf. So you can make it in any color you want depending on what character you're going for. So I am using claret and goldenrod. I'm going to show you how the back is just as clean as the front. Obviously you know which is which, but it just makes the color changes nicer. And it's a fun little trick that you can use on blankets. I'm going to start out with my A color. My A color is going to be the claret. So I'm going to make a slip knot, my 3.5 millimeter hook. I'm going to chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to crochet in the back bumps. See the little bumps? I'm going to crochet in that instead of the back of the chain. So I'm going to crochet 1 back bump, 2, and 3. Chain 1, turn. 3 single crochet across, 1, 2, and the third one we're going to start a single crochet and not finish it. Now we're going to add in our B color. For me, that's goldenrod. Leave a decent tail, but not too long because you are going to crochet over it. So I'd say about that should be good. Pull your A color tight, pull your B color, long tail, tight, and chain 1. Turn. Grabbing your little tail of your B color, lay it on top and crochet right over it. If you need to pull down on this one a little bit more, that's okay. So 3 single crochet across, 1 over your tail, 2, 3, chain 1, turn, kind of pull your tail up and around and lay it on top again. 1, 2, 3, chain 1, turn. One more time over the tail, 1, 2, and now I am dropping the tail. And in the last one, I will not be working over the tail. 3. Okay, pause real quick and snip off the tail. There you go. One more time, chain 1, turn, 1, 2, start the single crochet but don't finish it, in, pull up. With your B color, pull it down on your hook, kind of tight, and grab with your thumb over here. With your A color, wrap and pull up through the hole. Now, you can loosen it a little bit, make sure that your scarf doesn't curve too much, and chain 1. Turn. Let your B color dangle. Now we're going to go across 1, 2, and 3. Chain 1, 1, 2, 3, chain 1, turn, 1, 2, 3, chain 1, turn, 1, 2, and we're going to change colors in the third one. Start our single crochet, hold with our thumb, bring up the B color, wrap, pull through loosely, not too loose, pull it a little bit, chain 1, and turn. See how our color changes are all on the back this way? But they still look pretty good, and you don't have to sew in a million tails. You're welcome. Now, we just did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're about to start row 11. You are going to complete this pattern for 30 rows. So, you have your half block where you started, that's this one right here. So counting up from, you have a B block, an A block, a B block, an A block, a B block, an A block, and you end in a B block. Which means you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more blocks to go, and then you'll have your scarf. And all you do at the very end is you chain 1, you fasten off, and you pull up. And you want decent tails on either side, because all I do so that they're removable is I just tie a little bow so that they're around the neck. You can always sew them if you want, but I like the idea of them being removable. So that's all you got to do for the scarf. Thank you so much for joining me today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to the Yarn Zebra family. I would love to have you join the Facebook group. It's really fun. All you have to do is answer 2 questions. We have a lot of fun over there. They get sneak peeks. They get to see stuff early. They get bonus patterns that nobody else gets. They get to vote. You might want to join. It's kind of fun. So the link is down below. Thank you so much for being here today. Remember, life happens, yarn helps, and spoonies can stitch it up too. Bye.